Alright guys, I got a tip I want to share with you guys here. Alright, so I have this sample here that I took and I chopped up and I rearranged and played it. I'm going to let you hear it. Let me let you hear that with the drums. Okay, now if I want y'all to hear it, there's a bass there, but it's really light, right? So say if I want to bring that bass out, I'm gonna show you how I would do it. All right, so let's go into warp, and warp is going to tell you the key of the sample. Make sure that warp is enabled. This is 81 BPM, right? All right, so I go here and I duplicate that program. I'm gonna put it on another track. For me, it's track 3. I'm gonna rename it filter bass. All right, so let's hear that that copy program. Okay, so it's the same program, right? So what I want to do is go back in here to warp, go into envelopes or whatever. I want to set my filter right. I'm gonna play this filter. All right, so I like that. Alright, so we come back out here. Now let's play the beat, right? Alright, see, that's okay, but we can't really, that didn't do anything for us, right? So I'm going to show you how we can bring that bass up. Alright, so we're going to solo this again. We're going to go back into warp. Notice that the key of the sample is C minor, right? So what we're going to do is make sure that warp is enabled, like I was telling you. We're going to drop this down a whole octave. Now this is something that people normally use for keys, for MIDI, but you can do the same thing with samples. Now I'm going to play this. I dropped it down a whole octave. If you notice, the bass is now fuller. Let me play it. This is where it was originally at, right? It's barely audible. Let's drop it down. Okay, so look, let's play that with the beat. Alright, so let's put a plug-in in here or whatever, so we can bring the bass up a little bit more, right? Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to play it without that filter bass. You're going to be able to notice why. Now the filter bass is completely gone. Now I'm going to put it back in and you're going to hear the bass. Alright, well, I hope that was something you guys can use. Look, I love and I respect you guys. And if y'all need drum kits, hit thecyclekit.com. I make some of the best kits in the entire world. That is no hype. That's not a lie. Just check them out. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Respect.